After a year of listening to political bashing and endless promises, the election is only hours away. So no matter who you're supporting, I urge you to get out and vote tomorrow. As a simple way to remind your friends, neighbors, and coworkers to hit the polls, we've created an all-American fruit-filled hand pie that's guaranteed to be a winner. We start by unrolling a refrigerated pie crust and cutting out circles with a can, drinking glass, or cookie cutter. Then we place a spoonful of cherry pie filling in the center of half of them and blueberry filling on the others. This way, no matter what party someone favors, you're good to go. Now, to the circles we made from another pie crust, we cut a star in the center of each one using a paring knife. Now we place these over the filling and seal the edges with a fork before popping them in the oven. When these come out of the oven with the filling bubbling hot and the crust as golden as can be, it doesn't matter which candidate you vote for. These are true winners. The recipe for our Election Day ham pies is online now, which will give you plenty of time to make them before casting your vote. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today I'm eating both, 'cause, ooh, it's so good.